Okay, to solve this problem by taking square roots, basically our objective is to move around terms so that we can come up with something like this. Squared equals to a number here, okay? And our x will be, our unknown will be somewhere inside the bracket, okay? So our first step is we move the 81 to the other side. So we have x plus 1 all squared equals to negative 81. Now, what number squared will give us a negative number? Well, that is an unreal number, an imaginary number. Okay, so x plus 1 must equal to plus or minus. Remember, when we take out the square root here, okay, we will end up with two different numbers. We have plus or minus. Okay, so the square root of negative 81. Okay, so x plus 1 equals to plus or minus square root of 81 times negative 1, right? And so we get 9i. Okay, then we move this positive 1 to the other side at the end. Which gives us negative 1 plus or minus 9. And note that this is a complex number, so it has no real roots. Okay? Now here's another example. Again, our objective is to move things around so that we end up with something square equals to a number. Okay? And our x is inside this bracket. Alright? So how do we do this? Well, first step, obviously, we move the 49 to the other side. Okay, so we'll have 2y minus 5 all squared equals to 49. Alright? And so 2y minus 5 equals to plus or minus square root of 49, which basically is just 7 plus or minus 7. Okay, then 2y equals to 5 because we move this minus 5 to the other side. So we have plus 5 plus or minus 7. And then we divided the whole thing by 2. Okay? Now, finally, if we take this plus sign, we will have 5 plus 7 and then divided by 2, which is 6. Now what's the other answer? We take 5 minus 7, which is negative 2, and then divided by 2, and that is negative 1. Okay? And these are real roots.